My name is Elizabeth and I'm from Ghana, West Africa. I've learned the culture of restoration from Icelanders. Basically, I think Icelanders are passionate about restoration because even individuals can volunteer to restore their own lands, and also about community participation, how the soil conservation have been able to cooperate with these locals to restore degraded land. Yeah, I think it's worth emulating. Well, I think learning from all these countries like Iceland, I think Ghana can emulate from such stories like this, and then also start their own restoration. I know there are a lot of restoration ongoing in Ghana, but I think we need to do more. So looking at Iceland, the condition in Iceland, I'm talking about when you look at the climate, it's not too conducive for vegetation, but they are able to do it. And for Ghana being a tropical country, I think we have a better chance to do more restoration. So I think this is an opportunity for us to learn from Iceland and then do better. One thing I have also learned is that we don't have to look at restoration to be an immediate benefit, but we have to look at restoration as a future benefit. How we can benefit even if we don't benefit, how the generation to come can benefit from restoration. So I think this is an important lesson I've learned, because most of this restoration were done way back, but today we see the benefit, and even us as tourists or visitors, we are also benefiting from what has been done in the past.